Preventing re-injury isn't about being cautious forever. It's about building smart habits that keep your body strong, balanced, and ready for anything. Once you've recovered from an injury, the focus shifts from healing to maintaining resilience and protecting your progress. The first habit to develop is consistent movement. Your body thrives on motion, and staying active helps maintain joint health, muscle strength, and flexibility. Instead of pushing hard sporadically, aim for regular, moderate activity that keeps your tissues conditioned without overloading them. Next, prioritize warm-ups and cool-downs. A proper warm-up increases blood flow, raises tissue temperature, and prepares your nervous system for movement. Think of dynamic stretches, light cardio, or mobility drills that mimic your upcoming activity. After training, gentle stretching or foam rolling helps your muscles recover and prevents stiffness. Listen to your body's feedback. Pain, swelling, or fatigue are early warning signs that something's off. Don't ignore them. Taking a short break or modifying your routine is far better than risking another setback. Over time, tuning into your body's signals becomes one of your strongest injury prevention tools. Strength and balance training are non-negotiable. Weak or imbalanced muscles can cause uneven load distribution, leading to strain or joint instability. Focus on strengthening your core, hips, and stabilizing muscles around previously injured areas. Balance and proprioception exercises like single-leg stands or stability drills help your body respond quickly and safely to unexpected movements. Another key habit is progressive overload, gradually increasing the intensity, volume, or complexity of your workouts. Avoid big jumps in training load, as sudden spikes often cause re-injury. Track your progress and follow the 10% rule to keep improvements steady and sustainable. Mobility and flexibility maintenance is just as important as strength. Tight muscles restrict movement and put unnecessary stress on joints. Regular stretching, yoga, or mobility sessions help maintain smooth, efficient motion across your body. Don't overlook rest and recovery. Healing and strengthening happen during rest, not while you're training. Build recovery days into your schedule and prioritize quality sleep. It's when your body repairs tissues and restores energy. Your lifestyle habits also matter. Staying hydrated, eating nutrient-rich foods, and managing stress all support tissue health and performance. Chronic stress can increase muscle tension and slow recovery, so practices like mindfulness or deep breathing can help keep your nervous system balanced. Finally, move mindfully in everyday life. Lift with proper form, use good posture at your desk, and avoid repetitive strain. Injuries often happen not during workouts, but during routine activities when we're distracted. Preventing re-injury is about awareness, consistency, and smart choices. When you combine strong movement habits, recovery, and mindfulness, you don't just avoid setbacks, you build a body that's resilient, adaptable, and ready for long-term performance.